So this customer wanted me to maintain an oiled floor. It was an Elka engineered oak floor and it was located in Billingham in Teesside. Now as you can see, the floor has got a few scuffs just from moving furniture. Obviously they've got a dog and it needed a deep clean. So I brought in the power scrubber, and on this job I used Faber 30, which is an alkaline based deep cleaning sort of degreaser. Really good product. I've used it for a long time now and it's fantastic. So yeah, this floor needed to be deep cleaned first of all to remove any buildup of dirt, grease and old residues. So that was done using the Faber 30 and the scrubber dryer, which took off a lot of the old oils and obviously any soil that had built up over the time. The next thing to do was to put this Arboritec Maintenance Oil. It's got a satin finish and it's got a built-in hardener as well. Now this is to replace the old finish and restore the floor's natural appearance. It brings back the richness of the timber while also helping to protect it from everyday wear and tear. As you can see, I'm applying this using the Bonner Flexi Sand and a white pad to give it that sort of nourishment that it needs and deserves. So this particular floor where was a living room, a hallway and a dining room, and as you can see I'm sort of spending plenty of time to buff in this agent, this oil, to give it a really lot of nourishment. Once that was done, I kept applying more thin layers until the floor was nourished enough for me to continue on to the next area and into the next room. Working in the edges with the centre of the white pad. And this is a great example of how a regular maintenance can dramatically improve an oiled wood floor without the cost of a full disruption or a full resand and refinish. So if your engineered oak floor is looking dull, tired or ready for a maintenance treatment, I'd be happy to help. I cover Teesside, County Durham, North Yorkshire, and I'd be happy to give you a price instantly over the phone if you just send me a bit more information. If anyone's got any questions as well, drop me a message in the comments and I'll happily help. So this was me just finishing off the dining room now, and as you can see the floor's looking really good. Now I used it to a point where the floor looked wet, but it wasn't there wasn't too much oil left on the surface, so I was buffing in any residue and taking it away into the white pad. Plenty of buffing, can't really do too much. So this is the end result. So the end result looked, obviously refreshed the floor, made it look more warm, more natural, brought the grain out again. What it doesn't do, obviously, you take any sort of where there was a bit of fading in front of chairs and seats, it can't really refresh that too much, not without adding a colour anyway. So, but the customer was happy and they knew about that up front. So yeah, this is the end result. I'm really happy with it. Customer is too. And yeah, drop me a line if you need any help or if you're indeed looking at this service yourself.